Welcome to River's Edge Ranch. This spectacular 20-acre estate is located on the banks of the Pack River here in northern Idaho. Offering over 1,400 feet of waterfront, this one-of-a-kind property is secluded and peaceful, yet it's just 15 minutes from downtown Sandpoint, Idaho. Let's take a look. On the property, there is a main residence, guest home, and multiple outbuildings, including a massive shop with covered storage, a studio apartment, a large 4-stall barn, and a tool house. The estate is fully fenced for livestock and has a large garden, beautiful rolling grass lawns, private water access to the river, walking trails, its own water supply, and plenty of natural beauty. From a tranquil place to raise a family to a vacation spot and recreational playground, this property is truly your own private Idaho.